Thank you. Good morning to all. First of all, I thank Irma for inviting me in this very important session. In fact, I thank Secretary Rural Development for making my job easier. He has covered a lot of ground already, so I'll not be repetitive. So I'll stick to the time allotted for this discussion. As you know, that NAFED is a national level agri marketing cooperative, and we have over 1,000 members, primary and state level. And we also work with FPOs at national level. And we are also one of the implementing agencies like NABARD, SFPC for forming the FPOs. As we know that around 70–80% of farmers are small and marginal. So need for collectivization cannot be overemphasized. So already that is there, and all of us are working together. And government has already created a separate ministry to give focus on the collectives. So I'll briefly share with you what we do with the FPOs and the societies. So I'm very pleased to share with you that last 5 years, in a focused manner, we have been procuring pulses and oilseeds at MSP on behalf of Government of India. And almost over 70,000 crores worth of pulses and oilseeds we have procured purely through cooperatives, primary cooperatives, state level markets and agencies. So you can imagine the kind of business this has generated for the cooperatives, and they have got over 1,000 crores as their income, administrative income out of this. So this kind of investment has gone into the rural economy, and our FPOs and cooperative societies, they have got this kind of business in last 4 or 5 years. Similarly, we have been procuring onion. Yogesh is there, and our another Yogesh ji from MP is also there. So they have been our partners. We procure onion through many of the federations in Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat. So this year, over 500 crores worth of onion we have procured. The last 4 years, 5 years, we have been procuring through them. So this is an additional business that we create for the cooperatives as well as the FPOs. At the same time, being the implementing agency, we have taken over a Section 8 company called Federation of Indian FPOs and Aggregators, which is called FIFA. So in this, we have already around 1,000 FPOs as our members. So this organization, as the Secretary Sir said, it basically handholds the FPOs, helps them in preparation of their DPRs, their plan, access to different schemes, how they can prepare their scheme proposals, and how they can apply for the loans to different financial institutions. So this kind of handholding is being given to them. 2,000 rupees is the membership, and this is everything. We DPRs and all we prepare free of cost for them. So this is kind of service which we are giving. I think this is much needed area where all of us should help the smaller FPOs who are new to meet their requirements of the obligations towards the statutory laws and all, filing their returns, and at the same time accessing the financial institution. So now what we are doing basically is that the FPOs which were working with us or cooperatives which are working with us, we help them in prepare the DPRs and how they can get the collateral fund sanctioned from SFAC or the agri infrastructure. So this we have been doing with them. Now another area where as a marketing agency which we need to do and which we are doing is with cooperatives as well as the FPOs is helping them in building value addition and building their brand. So that brand building, we provide for total assistance for that, and how they can have access to the market. So we have a retail network of our own, and we provide free shelf space to all the products which are being branded by FPOs as well as the cooperatives. So I'll just name a few. One, we are branding saffron from Kashmir. We are branding fox nuts from Bihar, millets from different regions. Organic products we are branding and providing them market linkage. So because in case in metros and all, if the FPOs and cooperatives, they have to put their products on the shelf, so they need to pay. But in our case, we are giving them free access to the shelf space in wherever our retails are there. So, but now, as we progress, as the Secretary Sir has rightly said, that there are areas where we need to improve. We need to federate the FPOs at state level. Some states are doing very well. Some states are lagging behind. So that pan-India perspective has to come. And different products which they produce, they need to be branded. As I'm happy to share with you today, we are launching the kiwis which are being produced by some of the FPOs in Arunachal Pradesh. So we are launching them in Delhi Haat today, and we will be marketing it in Delhi and we ensure that they get good price. So these kind of interventions are required, and from our national level organizations like us, we are trying our best to play a very important role in providing market access to cooperatives as well as the FPOs. Now, the areas which we feel that there needs to be improvement is management of the cooperatives. That needs to be more efficient. It needs to be more transparent, and we need to build the capacity of the members who are at the leadership position, who are at the management position in these small organizations. That needs to be a focus area, and we have a number of organizations like Vamnicom, Linac, we have IRMA, Manage. So all these organizations can play a very important role in building capacity of the members of the FPOs as well as the management team of these collectives. So these are some of the areas, and we hope that now the ministry has been, separate ministry has been announced and constituted. It has started working. So all of us, I think, we can address these issues jointly, and we are in for exciting times. I'll stop here and look forward to the address from our friends from MahaHPC and other federations. They will share their experience with the delegates and with the audience, how they are working with us and what is their feedback on that. So we'll continue to improve our quality of our interaction with them also in future. So I'll stop here and thank again for giving me this. Thank you.